Hi students, welcome to English for All channel. Today's topic is how to speak polite English. Instead of just asking him to open the door, if we use a sentence like the below, we will get more response. Look at the first one. Will you open the door for me? Would you open the door for me? Would you please open the door? Could you open the door for me? Could you please open the door for me? Could you possible open the door? Would you kindly open the door for me? Would you mind opening the door? Like this, if at all we use sentences politely like this, we will get more response. Instead of open the door, we can use any one of the instructions in a polite manner so that we will get more response from others. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel. Do watch the remaining videos also.